Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to sell cars in GTA 5. We need to visit a Los Santos custom shop with the car we want to sell. In my case, it's this one. So we're heading to Los Santos Customs. Alright? So I'm pulling up now. There are others on the map, but this one's closest to me. Driving in. Here we can sell it. Click sell, hit enter, and it's done. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See ya!